Hi, it's Raymond Aaron, a silver leader in Young Living, and it's April 11th, and my order just arrived. My Young Living order for April just arrived, and actually it arrived a couple days ago, but I was a little tardy in making this video. And I want to show you what I got. First of all, you know I always get Ningxia Red, and it's a 4-pack. So you take an ounce or two in the morning, an ounce or two at night, fill the rest of the glass with water, put it in an ice cube, and it rejuvenates all of your organs. It really does, because it's an antioxidant. The oxidant is what tears down your organs, and you have a natural ability to create antioxidants, but as you get older, your natural ability slows down. And so instead of getting a 4-pack, I got a 6-pack. And so I'm going to take even more. I want to be healthier and healthier. So you could choose a 4-pack. You have to choose a 4-pack. You've got to have Ningxia Red. And I've decided to do a 6-pack. Maybe not forever. Maybe I'll just build up a few. Maybe I'll start using 5 a month, maybe 6 occasionally. Not exactly sure, but I love it. Now, this is tea tree oil. Tea tree is, trying to get into focus for you, tea tree is really wonderful for the skin, for cracks in the skin, for eczema, for any sores or cuts on the skin. Tea tree oil is really the best oil for that. And this one I'm very proud of, because this is what's going to keep me free from mosquitoes for the whole summer. Purification. Purification. It's so good. I've seen a demonstration where a woman put her hand into a big plexiglass container full of mosquitoes, and when she pulled it out, her hand was filled with mosquito bites. Then she put purification oil on her hand and put her other hand into the plexiglass container, and the mosquitoes were buzzing and buzzing and buzzing around. But when she took her hand out, not one single bite. So order purification essential oil and get several of them. I have several of them. I had a couple, and I ordered this one, and my wife ordered one. So we've got a lot, because I want to have it available to rub on my skin when the mosquitoes come out and when guests come over. Now let's see what else I got. The oils come in these special little containers, and it's always fun because I forget what I ordered. And here it is. It's purification. I got another one. Purification. That's great. I thought I had more than one. And then what is this big goodie? Let me just take this off and see what's in it. And it is, oh yeah, laundry soap. You can never have too much of this. Like, if you have an extra one, then it's protection against running out in the middle of the month. And so I love having 1 or 2 of these extra. It smells wonderful. It's the thieves fragrance, and it kills 99.9% of all the germs with no harsh chemicals. It's just like amazing. And I'm excited to tell you something new. Oh, you'll love this, but I'm not going to tell you yet. I want to tell you about this oil. I wonder what oil I got. Oh, it's not an oil. What is it? It's Thieves. Oh, toothpaste. Yeah. I got a Thieves toothpaste. I love the fragrance of Thieves, so I've never tried this toothpaste. This is called Dentarome Ultra. Dentarome Ultra. Gently removes stains to reveal a brighter, more radiant smile. Great. Okay, good. Toothpaste. And then what is all this? Oh, yes. You know how you should have a way for you and your guests to wash their hands? And so I have a foaming soap at every one of my sinks and faucets in the house. But then I realized, why be so usual and ordinary as to have one? Why not let me and my guests choose what flavor they want? And so there's 4 flavors. One at Christmas time is called Winter Mint or Christmas Spirit or something. And then they have Luscious Lemon, which is what this is. Luscious Lemon. and I got 3 of them, count them, 3, just for fun. And there's also lavender, and there's also thieves. And I remember I bought 1 of each a while ago, so I've got 1 at each of my sinks. But I decided, no, I don't want just 1. I want to be playful. And so I like Luscious Lemon really well, so I got an extra. And so I'm going to have now 2 different flavors at every sink, just for fun, just for fun. And of course, all you do is you unscrew the lid, and then you put this plunger on it, and you've got a whole new dispenser. Okay, and then here it goes. Wait till you see this. This is my last one that I got. You'll say, no, Raymond, you didn't. No way. Yeah, listen to this. In the olden days, farmers would plow their fields and they would plant whatever fruit or vegetable they wanted for 6 years in a row. And then in the 7th year, they wouldn't plant anything. And it's called fallow, Fallow. They would let the field lie fallow for 1 year, which means they didn't use it. And it allowed the soil to rejuvenate. It allowed the minerals to come back. But farmers don't do that any longer. But Young Living does. They do it the real way. They do it the way the land is supposed to be treated. And interestingly, what Gary Young found is in the off year, in the fallow year, in the 7th year, instead of letting it lie fallow, if there's a particular grain, it's called einkorn, Einkorn, I think, Einkorn, einkorn grain, then that doesn't hurt the soil. That actually helps the soil rejuvenate. So in the 7th year, instead of planting the plants and the herbs that Young Living uses to get its oils from, what they do is they plant einkorn, and then they make spaghetti out of it. And so here it is. Look at this. I ordered it last month, and my wife and I and our guests loved it so much that I ordered it again. And here it is. Einkorn, Einkorn, einkorn spaghetti. And it's brown, and there's no chemicals in it, there's no preservatives, nothing. And it's grown on organic land, and it is organic, and we really like it. And this amount will serve, I don't know, 2 or 3 dinners. And so instead of just getting 1, I got 2, because I'm sure we're going to have more spaghetti than just, oh my gosh, I've got 3. Hold on a second. I've got 4. No way, I've got 5. Oh my God, I got 6 of them. No, I got 7 of them. Oh my God, I got 8 of them. Oh my gosh. Why? Just for fun. I like being playful. If you're going to have fun in life, you might as well go for it. And so when I was ordering, I said, 1? What are you kidding, Raymond? Go for it. So I ordered 8 just for fun. We'll use them up. I mean, they last for years and years. Anyways, that's what I ordered. I'm so happy to tell you what I ordered. And hopefully you'll get the same. You'll get ideas from me, and we'll know new things that you could order also. And when you order, there's 2 buttons. One is called shop, and that might encourage you to press that button because you think, gee, I want to shop. But don't press it. You get penalized if you press that. It's very bad to press the shop button. So you have to press a button which is different in every country. In some countries, it's called Essential Rewards. In other countries, it's called Monthly Order. In the United States, it's called ER Monthly Order. So when you do your monthly order, you have to click on that button, not shop. You get penalized. You get penalized up to $100 if you click on shop. You know why? Because they send you another order. Like, if it's crazy. I don't exactly know why. So you have to press on Essential Rewards or Monthly Order or ER Monthly Order in order to place your monthly order. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.